episode, we have this puppy fired up. Sweet. Happy days. A few things we need to figure out now. I want to run it for a bit longer, but it's got no water in it and I don't want to obviously cook it. So first I need to do is get this radiator linked up. I need to get the headers sorted out and then it can go to the exhaust shaft. So next thing on the list is to get this radiator in. Figure out the radiator pipes. Let's just have a little tinker. Get it enough so I can run it for a bit of a longer period of time. Let's crack on. Well, as per usual with everything on this build, it's a little bit tight. So this is the space I've got. Now I've got a radiator. This is an aluminium version of a standard 240 radiator. I'm not 100% sure it's going to be big enough. Now it's supposed to be a 3-row. It's a 3-row Chinese wing wang. Rip off there, Mike Palmer's. So we'll see, all we can do is bung it in. Now it does fit in here because I have mocked it. As you can see, it's all very tight, especially on the that bad boy. Now I've got to link this all together, and I've done that with an ingenious all manner of pipes and bad boys, but the ones that I think are really good, some of the V8 ones out of the old boat, stuff left over out of, well, I think that might be out the truck, out the straight 6 in the truck. I've got a massive box of pipes. That's why you keep all this stuff. But this one I think is the kiddie. This is a reducer, which is Lexus on one end and Volvo on the other. So I think with those and a couple of connecties, we're going to be winner. I forget what size they were. It wasn't, I think it might have been like 41, 38 or something. That's a special order them. But yeah, right, let's grab some of the other hoses I've got. Hosey hosies, shitloads of hosies. Some of these have got to be half decent for the job. Let's have a look. I think that is a Lexus, which is a good start. Let's maybe put that on the, look on the bottom. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, that one is damn close. I reckon with one of these chopped like that and one of those, that's going to be bobby on. Right, let's get a pen. So I'm just going to make my way through this, marking, chopping, cutting, twiddling about. So I'm going to turn all of these into, ta-da! There we go. This is my Lexus Volvo converter radiator pipes. It's just a matter of banging them on. Cool beans. Right, let's get this one on. Last bit of the deep water system puzzle is this little bad boy. It goes like that. That goes on there. There's one down the bottom as well. Some of Dorset's finest water. Actually, you'd think we'd have nice water living on the coast. We actually have really hard shit water. It goes. Okay. This is engine fire up take 2 with water in the system. Hopefully staying in the system. Let's give it a go. Ignition on, priming. of smoke coming off the old header I've got on this side. But apart from that, all good. Right, let's see if we pull the fault codes. Try and pull the coolant again. She's drinking. Why? I haven't bridged across the back. I forgot about the heater matrix. That should explain why we've got water pouring out the back. Quick pause here, don't forget, like and subscribe to see more. Cheers. Right, she's running, she's idling, she's revving, slight stumble, but again the headers are like half on with O2 sensors in them, but with like, you know, the exhausters are tacked together, so water's staying inside mostly. Yeah, one fault code, which I think I should be able to clear with a bit of sorting out the exhausts. So yeah, happy days. Right, I'm boned, I'm off to bed. It's late, it's like 11. See you later. Next time. Well, that is... Moved the fastest moved in about a year.
And that is it for this episode of Spanos Antics. In the next episode, we head to the exhaust shop. Coming soon. Check it out. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Cheers!